Welcome to Reservety tutorials. In this episode we will show you how to quickly set up rental invoices and packing slips and bulk print them using Reservety. The platform comes with built-in automated invoices that you can fully customize with your own logo, signature, and business details. It also includes built-in packing slip generator, which you can easily tailor to match your workflow. Let's get everything set up so you can save time and streamline your rental operations. Let's first start customizing your invoices and packing slips. To do that, go ahead and log into your rental dashboard. Click on View Admin. Click on Documents. Then click on Invoice. In this page, you can configure the general settings required for the invoice. As you can see, the invoice is already enabled. And if you want to group the invoices by category, you will select yes, otherwise you will leave no. For example, we selected use order date as an invoice date. That's how we want to set it up. And the system allows you to sort the products by, for example, you can sort them name ascending, name descending, SKU ascending, and SKU descending. And you can assign the order statuses to generate the invoices. Right now, you can generate invoices for the processing and completed orders. For example, if you want to attach the invoice into your email in the PDF format, you will select yes in this option. And you can let the customers to print your invoices. We set it yes because we allow customers to print it. You can also upload your signature by clicking on upload. And you can set the logo for your invoice. For example, let's click on upload. Let's say we want to select this logo for our invoice. We will click on it. Then we will click on select. As you can see, our logo is selected. Now let's go to other tabs. For example, invoice number. Click on it. And invoice number format will be number. And we won't create separate invoice numbers for each invoice. Instead, we will use order number as an invoice number. And you can set the limit for the invoice number length. And you can click on the Customize tab and set the structure of your invoice. For example, on the left-hand sidebar, you can set your logo, dimensions, invoice number appearance. For example, you can change the text size and you can bold the text and you can select the different colors for your text, etc. And you can add and remove some of these sections from the invoice. For example, let's say we want to remove coupon used. In this case, we will find the coupon info and switch it off. As soon as we do that, the coupon information will be disabled from the list. Now, let's say we want to remove the cart discount. We will find the cart discount and we will switch it off. And if you don't want to display the signature, you will simply switch it off. And you can remove the footer and enable the footer. And you can set the from address by clicking on this bar here. And you can remove some of the information from each column. For example, let's remove the social security number. We will switch it off and it will be gone. And the numbers will be filled out automatically by Reservety. Now finally, let's click on the Advanced tab. In this section, you will set the order meta fields, product meta fields, product attributes, custom footer for invoice, etc. For example, if you want to set a specific information for your footer, you can write it here. And you can set the bundled product display options by selecting one of these from the drop-down menu. Once you're done setting up everything, you will click on Update Settings. It will save your invoice, and you can come back anytime and change your details on your invoice. Now let's set the packing slip. To do that, go ahead and click on Documents again and find the packing slip. If you don't see the packing slip here, you will click on Invoice and Packing Slip. Find the packing slip and switch it on. Then click on Save. Once you saved it, go ahead and click on Documents again and find the packing slips. Click on it. In this page, you can configure the general settings required for packing slip. For example, you can group by category, enable variation data, sort products by, for example, name ascending, name descending, SKU ascending, SKU descending, etc. And you can set the meta fields, product attributes, and you can enable the packing slip option for order statuses. In this case, we left it empty because we want to apply it for all statuses. And if you want to share the packing slip PDF as a separate email, you will activate this feature here. And you can set the custom footer by writing your footer in this field here. Now let's click on the Customize tab. In this section, similar to invoice, you can set the structure of your packing slip. And you can set the from address. You can just click on it and click on OK. If you want to change these details, you will change them based on your business. Then you will click on Update Settings. Now let's go back to the packing slips again and click on Customize. And as you can see, you can include the barcode. And if you don't want to include a barcode, you will switch it off and it will be gone. And you can hide some of the information from a packing slip. For example, if you want to remove the social security number, you will just switch it off. So everything is clear in here. And you can change the overall layout of your packing slip by clicking on Change Layout. And this is a classic version. You can select, for example, Imperial version, click on it. As you can see, our packing slip design changes instantly. Once you set up everything, you will click on Save and you will name your packing slip template. Then we will click on Save and it will be automatically saved into your system. Now let's learn how to print them individually and bulk print them for multiple orders. To do that, go ahead and go to the bookings, then click on Orders. Then select the orders you want to print the invoices for. For example, we want to print the invoice for this one, for this order. Then we want to print for this one. We will just select the orders by clicking on the boxes or putting a check mark next to the orders. Then click on the bulk actions field. Then click on Print Invoices. Click on Apply. As you can see, invoices for 3 orders is ready. You will just click on Print, or you can download it to your computer. Now let's show the packing slip. The process is very simple. You can take the exact same steps as you did with the invoices. For example, select the orders you want to print the packing slip for. For example, we want to print packing slip for Jackson Green's order and John Doe's order and Mike Summers' order. And we will click on Bulk Actions field. Then we will select Print Packing Slip. Click on it. Then click on Apply. As you can see, our packing slips for 3 orders are ready. You will just click on the print, or you can download it to your computer. And this completes our tutorial on how to set up invoices and packing slips for your rental orders and how to print them directly from your Reservety dashboard. Thank you for paying attention, and we will see you in the next tutorials.